When the Environmental Protection Agency mandated that landfills begin collecting the gas it emits and destroying it, Utilities Director Noel Bush and his team began looking at how they could turn this waste into energy.
In 2008, the city's consulting engineers recommended that we look at alternative uses for the landfill gas. And initially that was to strip the gas, turn it into pipeline quality gas, and either sell it to the pipeline or use it to power city vehicles. As we pursued the investigation, it became apparent that the best use of the gas long-term would be to generate electricity.
Using the landfill gas to run the city's water and wastewater treatment plants, which spend about $900,000 annually in energy costs, smelled like a fresh idea. But the team had to sniff out a solution to get that landfill gas from here to here.
Well, there's three projects that we're currently doing. The first is extracting the gas from the landfill. The second is a pipeline to convey that gas to the wastewater treatment and water treatment plant. And then the third project's building a generating facility to convert it from methane gas, landfill gas into electricity. The powerhouse at the wastewater treatment plant is really, it's adjacent to the wastewater treatment plant, but it's between the water and the wastewater treatment plant. And the powerhouse there holds two 20-cylinder Caterpillar engines coupled to generators, and each will produce 1.6 megawatts of power when fully operational.
When the process is totally up and running, the city should see the $900,000 energy bill at the water and wastewater treatment plants cut in half.
Well, the total project costs $12.5 million. About $2.5 million of that's being spent at the landfill to extract the gas and clean the gas up and get it ready to move. The other $10 million is a combination of a $6 million loan through the state of Michigan at 2.5% interest and a $4 million grant from the American Resource Recovery Act to supplement the project. So out of the $12.5 million, we're putting up $2.5 million. The federal government's granting us $4 million, and we're borrowing $6 million that we'll pay back over the next 20 years. Staff has felt all along that this was what we call the deep green project. By that I mean that it's environmentally correct because we're going to collect all the gas and destroy it. Methane is 10 times more of a pollutant than CO2. By burning the methane and creating CO2, we greatly reduce the emissions from the landfill operation. Number two, water and wastewater are essential services. We burn a lot of electricity each year, and this will control our costs there and better enable us to deliver those services to the people of Midland in a cost-effective manner. So it's green in dollars, it's green in environment, and we're green with envy.
Testing on the pipeline and final completion of the generator units at the water and wastewater treatment plants is taking place as we speak. The G2E project is expected to be fully operational by the beginning of 2011.